update on the bees. We have half the boxes done. I'm bringing them in. This board here has got to be replaced. New board put on. And here's the bottom board. We're going to put a screen in that. So before I finish painting it, I can figure out exactly where it sits and put a screen on there. And there's the bottom. This is all painted up. There's one screen extruder, which I'm cleaning off. Got a lot of wax off it. And that's the beeswax container, the old canner. So, slowly it's coming.
This is the time that I can do something for me.
Now, go into here. I have 4 boxes that are done in prime, ready to paint. Each box has 2, 3, 4, 5 frames. There's 5, 10, 15, there's 20 frames in 2 boxes. So there's 2 complete boxes and 2 empty boxes. I'll have to get more frames. Unfortunately, they didn't make it. Mice got in them, the old ones. These I have to blow out in the spring with the compressor. That's the last thing to do. So, and that's 4 boxes. It took a lot to sand, prime, scrape all the paint, old paint off. Takes time. I left the inside. I'm going to sand along the top here. Other than that, I just scraped and cleaned out the inside the best I could. The bees will do the rest. There's still 4 more boxes, another top and a bottom to do. There's what's left to do. There's still 4 more boxes, a bottom, and still that top. The other top was rotted right out. That looks, all the top boards will have to be replaced. But it's coming, slowly. Getting this queen excluder cleaned up. I don't know if you can see, there's just a lot of wax. So, I want to clean that right up. So, that board, yeah, gotta be replaced. It's rotten. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm sharing the rebuilding of the boxes and there's a lot more to come. Bees have been ordered. So, take care. Merry Christmas. And best in the new year of 2019. Let the honey flow.